Right, let's discuss again. Right, let's discuss again. So now to show that, right, now tell me the values, right? Otherwise I can't help you. Total is 0, C is 1, and then some change in this, right? So total is 0 and C is 1. Then what is item C? Item C first time 78. Right, then what to do? What you have to do? Total equal total plus item C. Then 0 plus 78 is 78. And then change C by 1. C is 2 now. What is item C now? Item C now?
89.
89. Hope everyone understand that, right? Item C means item 2. Right now, so what do you have to do? Total equal total plus item C. Total is 78. 78 plus 89. What is the value?
167.
167. I don't know. I'm just very poor in mathematics. So let's say 78 plus 89. Yeah, 167. And then change C by 1. C is now 3. What is item C now? Item C? Item C is item 3. What is item C then?
96.
96 here, 96. Right. Then again telling after displaying item C, total equal total plus item C. Total is 167. 167 plus 96. So what is the value? 167 plus 96. It is 263. Is it? Correct? Correct or wrong? Don't know. 167 plus 96. 6 plus 7, 13. 6 plus 15. Yeah. Okay, then item C is increased by 1, 4. What is item C now? What is item C now? 87. Okay, then, so what you have to do? 87 answers, it's total plus 87. Total plus 87. So you have to add 96 here and then 87. 350. 350. And this is 5 now. And this will become, so what is the value for this? 87 and then item 5. Item 5 is 46. And you have to add 46 to this one, then that is 396. And this is 6 now. Sixth item is 75. And what you have to do is you have to add 75 to this one. 396 plus 46 plus 75 is 471. And 7 now. Item 7 is 76. Now you have to add the 76. For this plus 76 is 547. And now it is 8, changed by 1. 8 is 67. So 8 is 67, so you have to add 67 here. Then 640. 614. And this is 9 now. When this is 9, the next item is 84. And you have to add 84 to this. 84 to this. 698. 698. This is 10 now. And what is the next item? Is 93. 93. You have to add 93 to the total. Plus 93. And it is 791. 791. And after adding 791, this will be increased by 1, 11. But now you can see 10 attempts are over. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rounds are now over, so it will not repeat again. It will come here. Total is total. What is total? Total is final total 791. And average is total divided by 10. Understood now or still not? Hello?
Understood, sir.
The තාම නැත්තම් තාම නැහැ කියලා කියන්නේ. Hope you understood, right?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Right, okay, good. Then so you can just write this one with the explanation, right? So please write this one with the explanation in book. Please write this one with the explanation. Right. Yeah. So some of you actually, they don't love homework. They just want to leave the session, but it's okay, right? Because some are there. Actually, some students, they never do the homework. So don't be in such category. Please do the homework because that is really essential for you to practice. Right? So let's say in your class, you have a person who's taller. So let's say one person, one student in a class. If there's one student in a class, who's the tallest? If there's one student in the class, who's the tallest? Let's say a student
That one.
X. That one. Who's the shortest? Same, right? So let's say tallest or the maximum is, now maximum is X. So what is the minimum? Minimum is also, this is the maximum. Maximum is X and minimum is also X. Same student. So then a new guy came. New guy came. Now what you have to do? You have to compare with the existing maximum. Whether the new guy is taller than the existing maximum. Is it taller? No. So keep the existing maximum. Whether the new guy is shorter than the existing minimum. Yes, he's shorter. So this is Y. So now Y is the minimum. Another guy came. That is Z. Is this Z taller than the maximum? Yes, then he is the maximum. Z is the maximum. Is he shorter than the current minimum? Why? No, he's not. So keep the minimum as it is. Likewise, you have to keep changing this time to time. So you have to declare the first as the tallest and the shortest, or the first number, this number, you have to declare that as the, this 78 is the minimum and 78 is the maximum. Then come 89. You have to compare with the previous number, 78. Yes, it is better than, greater than. So now new maximum is this. Again, 96 come. Now new maximum is 96. Again, 87. No need to change. 46 come. No need to change. So likewise, you keep changing and finally you print 96 is the maximum. Minimum also the same. Minimum is 78. New is 89. 89 is not less than this. 96 not less than this. 87 not less than this. 46 less than this. New minimum is 46. 46, 75 not less than. No. So the minimum is 46. This is how you find the answer. Right? Even though I said this in this much of easier way, maybe you have to think a lot to do that. Try to do and come it next day. Right? Try to do and finish and come this next day. Okay then. Right. Then let's see you in the next week. Good night.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Good night, sir.